We all know that the ability to think fast depends on our brain's processing speed. This just a minute activity or jam has been organized to tinker the same thought process. This will definitely help our 10 participants. In this case, few those who can't join. We have 7 participants of class 9 to enhance their vocabulary as well as widen their perspective on various topics through mutual exchange of thoughts. So, and to judge this activity, we have Miss Chandraboli Ganguly with us. I welcome you, ma'am. Miss Chandraboli Ganguly earned her bachelor degree from Calcutta University and her master's from Banaras Hindu University, currently pursuing her PhD in BHU. Her topic is refashioning short stories, aesthetic of short stories in Kurt Vonnegut. She has published several top papers and also worked as a course instructor for communicative English in the Institute of Agricultural Science, Banaras Hindu University. Apart from being an ardent reader, her interests are writing, painting, dramatic, etc. We welcome Chandraboli to this particular session. Without further delay, let's go to the rules of this particular session. There are 15 random topics with Nirjhar sir. Each student, when called out by their name, will select a particular number, and that number has been assigned to a particular topic. They will get the topic immediately. 1 minute will be given each participant to think about that topic, and after that, they can speak on the topic for 1 minute. They will be judged on the basis of their presence of mind, points conveyed in the given time limit. Top 2 will be selected by your judge. Janvi, now you can select one number.
Ma'am, I choose 6.
Okay.
Okay. Janvi, for your number 6, your topic is memories.
Good evening and Jai Hind everyone. I'm Janvi Srivastava from class 9th A and my topic is memories. Memories is a beautiful word, just like what it means. Memories are a way through which we can remember a person and the time spent with them. People like us, like mortals, leave the world, but memories don't. They mark a name in this world. Memories can be bad, memories can be good. They make us remember the time spent with with people we love. Just like not only people we love, but the things which are precious to us. The first book I read, the first time I spent the day with my best friend, my first birthday, all memories. Whenever you miss the person or when you are not in physical touch or you are
Janvi, your
missing the
time is
appearance
up.
of that person.
Your time is up.
Okay, sir.
Ananya, your time starts now.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, facts are the
Yes.
unbelievable but meaningful sentences. These are the facts come from different sources. And here are some facts I would like to share to you all. Fact number 1, that we all have a fear of darkness. And that fear of darkness is known as nyctophobia. And another one is pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating. There are many other facts, just like in 1939, a book titled Gatsby was published. It contained more than 50,000 words, but none of them had a letter E. Facts comes from facts have different genres also. Facts are from history, from English, from literature, and many other things. Here's one another fact about everybody's favorite thing, selfie. The Oxford Dictionary chose selfie as the word of the year for 2013. And we all know about...
Ananda, your time is up.
Okay. The next participant is Shambhavit Singh of 9D.
So I would like to choose the number 2.
The topic is equality. EQUALITY, equality. And right now, Mahima, you can start speaking, beta. Okay.
Since at first I'd like to tell what is bullying. Bullying means someone who is being forced to, or someone who is being abused for doing something that is forceful action that is being done on that person. And since we have seen that many students are being bullied in the schools or colleges, and they are like forced to do this action though they don't want to, and that bullying creates an impact like mental impact on that student, and they take a wrong action. And many of these students are bullied by their size, like someone who's fat, they are like, many people used to tease them, someone who's too skinny, or someone who is so like mm, uh, who is so curious and means studious student, they are also bullied for their studies, that they study too much and all. And they're forced for every forced, and mostly they're forced so much that they can't even share their things to anyone for that.
Mahima, your time is up.
And right now, Shambhavit, you can start speaking.
Good evening. My name is Shamri Singh. I'm from class 90, and my topic is equality. Equality is a state of affairs in which all people within a specific society or isolated group have the same status in possibly all respects, possibly including civil rights and equal access to certain public places. Equality is a must in the society, and our government has taken certain measures to make sure that it is being implemented in our daily lives. Equality is one of the 6 fundamental rights in our constitution. Right now, we can't say that equality is being totally implemented, because still there are few places where sexism, racism, these kind of inequalities are being exercised. Totally removing equality from the world just in a minute is not possible. In the French
Beta, you have
Revolution,
exceeded your time. Now, Vagisha, you can start speaking.
Good evening and Jai Hind everybody. Regret. Regret is a feeling of sadness, disappointment, but our regression speaks a much about ourselves and our behavior. We regret about many things, such as not going to school, and after that, we think that we got a huge homework, and in school if we go to school we have to study a much
retry. If retry is a word that take us to a successful point.
Very well done, everyone, those who were participating. I request Principal Ma'am to share her valuable thoughts.
Hi, I was just listening to all the participants. I would like to welcome Ms. Ganguly, who has given her consent to be the judge of this event. Children sitting at home, they need to read a lot of books, and I'm sure their thoughts would be more clear, and they would be able to add in more content to their, the topics that they all have spoken. Thank you, dear children, for participating, and thank you, Ahana ma'am, all the way from Kolkata. I think you're hosting this show. Thank you so much. Thank you, dear teachers.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Chandraboli Ganguly. Can you please decide at least 2 of them who are the best speaker, and please share your thoughts.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, I shouldn't be saying like this, but I think the connection, the network was not very good. Therefore, whatever I heard was not uninterrupted. However, of all the speakers that I heard, I felt Sambhavi Singh was quite good. Her talk on equality. Not only was her content good, where she had selected from a wide aura, a wide area where she could bring in the legal side as well as talk of the social application of this. So I think I would place her first, and Mahima Rai who spoke on bullying, an issue which is very pertinent in today's world, something which we are often unaware of, but we do it. That should come second. So congratulations to Sambhavi Singh and Mahima Rai.
Ma'am, any thoughts about how they should go further to know about wide range of literature topics and everything?
As the principal ma'am said, reading more books is important and consolidating thoughts, because in just a minute, usually the minute runs by even before you can start speaking. So within the 1 minute that you get to prepare, at that time, it's very important that you just jot down the points in one single word, and then go by it without pondering on it too much. So you would be able to cover many points in that small period of time without too many pauses. And also, if we take it to not just the jam session, but also to debates and all, it's very important to understand your topic from a different perspective, because the easier perspectives can be seen, but it's what the content is, the more obscure, the more different the perspective is, that makes it special. So I think the students have got a very good potential, and they'll definitely do. They have done good, and they'll definitely do much better.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable thoughts on it. And right now, at the very end of this online session, I would request Brijesh sir to finally share his thoughts and end this activity.
Thank you so much, Ms. Chandraboli Ganguly. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for the feedback, especially because the kids will learn from it and will, of course, improve the next time when they do it, because it's the very first time they are doing it. And there are many kids who have participated for the very first time. So that is also appreciable. The kids should keep on participating. The idea is this is the first time that we are doing a just a minute kind of thing on internet, and because it's all a verbal, it has to be heard very clearly. So it's very important that the technical things are right and at all the places together. Unfortunately, there was a storm. There was a thing yesterday, so it's there are some technical problems at some places. Thank you for all the teachers. I would also congratulate them, Ahana ma'am, for comparing and for all this, bringing all this event together. Thank you, Nirja sir, Ritik sir, and Devashish sir, for all the technical and co-helping in organizing it. What I would like to tell the kids, especially, is that whenever you get such a topic, please think about the topic and write 2 or 3 important, because you don't have much time to speak. So what you do is that you put in 2, 3 or 4 pointers in it, so that you have enough to speak. So you 10 to 15 seconds you speak on one point, then another 15 on second, another 15 on third, and by the time you do that, it's already 45 seconds, and then at the end for another 10-15 you can conclude it. So what happens is that at the end you get a complete picture of exactly what you were trying to speak. So the time you get is not the time exactly just to think, it's time to note down the 3 points. So always when you are participating in such an event, you should have a copy, a pen, so that you can note down things. So though all these things have been told to you, so keep on practicing it. I think it requires a little bit of practice, and over time I'm sure you will all learn from it and emerge as good speakers, hopefully. Thank you so much for being there. Over to Hana ma'am. I think you did all of you did well. Winners, I congratulate the winners as well, and thank you so much. And Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. So the first is Shambhavit Singh of 9D and Mahima Rai came second, 9A. Congratulations, both of you. And all the best, all the
Congratulations.
very best.